Welcome to AI English Academy.
Yay, let's learn!
We'll learn, speak, and connect.
And shine together.
Let's start our English adventure.
ABC, come with me. A world of English waits to see. Learn and play, laugh and grow. AI English Academy, let's go.
Emma helps us start today, learning English while we play. Sophia shows us how to speak, more confidence every week. Daniel says, think, create. Dreaming big is always great.
Learn, speak, shine. English makes our future bright. Play, read, grow. There's a whole new world.
Hello, I'm Sophia, an English teacher at AI English Academy. I specialize in elementary and intermediate English B1, B2, with a focus on communication and everyday English. Hi, everyone. I'm Sophia, and I'm excited to welcome you to our B and B2 English class. Class Wolfration. We'll practice speaking, vocabulary, pronunciation for situations. I want you to speak confidently, express your ideas, and enjoy every conversation. My goal is to help you build a strong English foundation and feel confident using English every day. So let's practice together and make learning fun. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sophia.
Today, we're going to practice English we can use every day. Are you ready?
Yes! Yeah!
Imagine you're in a store. What can you say if you want to know the price?
How much is this?
Amazing, everyone together.
How much is this?
It's $10. Great, now practice in pairs.
How much is this? It's $10.
Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $10.
Excellent! That's a real conversation. Now we're going to a restaurant. What would you say if you wanted some water?
Can I have some water, please?
Perfect, and remember, please makes our request polite.
What would you like? I'd like a sandwich and some juice, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Where would you like to travel?
I'd like to visit Paris. I'd like to visit Brazil.
Great, now ask your partner.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to visit Italy.
Why?
Because I want to see the Colosseum.
Excellent.
Tell your partner something about your family.
I have one brother and two sisters. What do you like doing together? We like playing games and watching movies.
Amazing conversation. For the final activity, let's do the friendship challenge. Imagine there's a new student in your class. How would you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Mia. What's your name? I'm Lucas. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Would you like to play with us? Yes, I'd love to.
Excellent. English isn't only about knowing words, it's about communicating with people. What did we practice today? Shoppings,
Travel,
family,
friendship.
and what happens when we make a mistake?
We keep trying.
Exactly. Speak, practice, and believe in yourself. Every conversation makes your English stronger. I found a beautiful yellow butterfly near the flowers.
Excellent. Can you tell us what the butterfly is doing? The yellow butterfly is flying slowly from one flower to another.
Amazing. That's a great description.
Look, a small bird on the tree.
Yes, let's describe it. Wonderful. Now tell us how the garden makes you feel.
The garden makes me feel peaceful because it is colorful, quiet, and full of nature.
Excellent. You've all done a wonderful job today. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Find something interesting and describe it using a complete sentence.
I see a small bird on the tree.
Fantastic. The more details you add, the more interesting your English becomes.
Look, think, describe, and speak with confidence.
Great job. Add more details and speak confidently. Now, explore in pairs and describe everything.
These flowers are so colorful and vibrant. Yes, and that yellow butterfly is beautiful. And the deer is so calm over there.
Excellent sentences, everyone.
The flowers are so colorful, the red ones look like little stars. Wonderful, you're speaking with starful. You're speaking with fly such confidence.
The yellow butterfly, you're speaking sofidence. Excellent. Let's explore further.
There are many colorful flowers. They are so bright. The garden is so peaceful. I can hear birds singing.
Thank you for learning with us.
You did great today.
Keep speaking, keep connecting.
We learned so much.
Thank you for everything.
Bye, see you next time.
Believe in yourselves. You can do amazing things.